Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment, open the sheet, launch app's script, and create a new project. Once done, securely store the API key in property service or an encrypted cell so you don't expose secrets. Then implement a minimal fetch wrapper that posts JSON to the AI endpoint and returns parsed results. This first actionable step gets you a working connection. You can test with a simple prompt that asks the model to summarize the current sheet range. Next, design prompts and handlers that turn row and column data into meaningful AI queries. Once your wrapper works, map ranges to prompt templates and include headers for context so the model understands structure. Make sure to batch requests for large datasets and add retry and rate limit logic to avoid failures. Then, parse the AI response and write the cleaned result back into target ranges or a new sheet. This keeps the workflow atomic and repeatable across runs. Finally, automate and validate. Set a time-driven trigger or an on-edit hook to run the script automatically, and include lightweight validation like checksums or sample row comparisons. Once automated, make sure to surface confidence markers or validation flags so you can spot bad outputs quickly. If something goes wrong, consult the execution log full request and response payloads securely, inspect error codes, and implement exponential backoff. These steps will help you recover without corrupting your sheet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.